Do you miss India in Dubai? Like, okay, I have been 18 years, it's been 18 plus years in Dubai now, but there are certain things that I still miss about India. Like, they say that being an Indian, like living in India, even for a short term, there is something about India that you will carry with you forever. And in my case, I am born and brought up in India. At least my half the age is spent in India. So there are certain things that I really miss. But since it's been so many years, Dubai has almost everything that you find in India right now, because be it the food, be it the culture, be it the tradition, everything is available here now. But, but, being born and brought up there, the things that when I was growing up, that was available there, I still miss those things. Like kind of childhood memories, I could say, Yes, so today's topic is the things that I miss about India living in Dubai is the topic today. I'm Lavina Pinto and welcome back to my channel. And on this channel, I talk about my life in Dubai, my challenges, what I like the most. Apart from that, there is a lot of things that I talk about my corporate life, my relationships, my pets, and a lot more. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe because it's free. So, without going further ado, let's get started for today's topic. All the followers who follow me, who support me, whether it's on my social media or my YouTube channel, not just me, to anybody, any content creator, I'm sure you will relate to this point if you're a content creator. Please do not show your hate towards the content creators. First of all, they're just creating. If you are creating, you wouldn't want anybody to come and speak negative about it. If you have to express an opinion, there are many ways where you can express. The whole thing, what I would like to share to everyone is please be kind. Be kind to everyone around you, within you, everywhere. So the first thing that I really miss is about having tiled houses. I was born and brought up in a tiled house, but it was a very big house where it was a joint family also. So joint family is something, again, another interesting thing. Plus, we did have a garden, like a big play area, like not play area, but a big garden where we could all play, So, the fun that is to play with your cousins or your neighbors and all that stuff, I feel that it is missing all over here, because first of all, everybody lives in an apartment, because we all cannot have villas and that stuff, but now people can own it, but not that everybody can afford a villa or something like that, because my nieces, my nephews are born here, and believe me, I've never seen them playing hide and seek game or playing with the kids from the building, or playing those style games which used to play, they call it as Lagori and all that stuff. That is all something that we miss. I feel I miss it around here. Here the kids are all inside the houses, inside their flats, or once in a while the parents take them out to some beach areas or from play areas which are already with the AC and that stuff. So they do not get the exposure to enjoy in that mud. There is something about playing with the mud or sand, or, doing all those little things, and kids here do not get to enjoy the nature like the way we did it. And we used to play almost every day, there was certain time, like after coming from school, we would keep things, have our evening snacks and everything, and then the group would come, like the neighbors would come, or the cousins, we all together. The neighbors were not around, then the cousins, we were all around together, so we used to play hide and seek or something, I don't know, there were a lot of things that we used to play around, so that used to be something fun. And I feel my nieces are missing it, all that, because they don't know that kind of fun of having people around, or having the group and playing in that open areas, and every day going out and burning that calories. We never worried about calories and all, but these days kids are just getting chubbier and chubbier, and with zero energy, while we at that age, I remember, we were so freaking energetic. Okay, second thing which I really miss is when we were small kids, we used to have this Sunday treats. They were not like big treats. There was this ice candy wala who used to come, who used to sell this ice candy in a small cycle, basically, He used to have mostly 2 or 3 flavors kind of thing. One used to be the, they call it Bella Candy, which is now available in an upgraded version. So Bella Candy. And there was one more ice cream, which used to be my favorite. It is a milk ice cream, actually. It used to be like a choco bar kind of thing, but the flavor of that was amazing. Apart from that, they used to have this fruity flavored some ice candies and all that. They call it as ice candies, Bella Candy, ice candy, and all that stuff. I really miss that. That's something that flavors about those I'm sure they were not the hygiene ones now if I have to talk about it, like, but the taste of that. And the price was like some would charge 50 paisa or some would charge it 1 dirham, maximum, sorry, 1 rupee or 2 rupees was the maximum. And that is to be the Sunday treat because if you're going to your grandmom's place or something, they give you that chiller money and then you go and buy. And it is like so much of fun. Third point is about living with your grandparents. I know my nieces and nephews, since they are living here, they go to see their grandparents once in a blue. That too because they think a lot because you have to buy the ticket and go because a family of 4 going by flight and all. The tickets would come up almost like 10K, so they don't want to spend so much of money. So once in 2 years or 3 years, sometimes they go like that. But there are some people, yeah, of course, they go every year. But we used to spend a lot of time with our grandparents where they used to pamper us like royally. Literally, they would pamper us. And we would stay in their house also. They would teach us so many things. They would tell their stories. Especially my maternal side grandparents had fields, So that used to be fun because every Sunday we would go to their house, stay there. Grandma would cook. Grandma would take us to the fields. They would grow the sugar cane, rice, a lot of vegetables because whenever we used to have holidays, we used to go with grandmother to pluck the long beans, then the green chilies. There used to be different kind of vegetables and grandma would sell that also. And that's when I learned how they do jaggery because I would otherwise never know how they make jaggery. And it used to be like a fun festival if they're doing this jaggery kind of thing because the sugarcane used to grow in our fields and they would cut that sugarcane, store it, and then there used to be a different process. Oh my God, that used to go on for the entire night, and it would be like 4 or 5 houses, people gather together, end up doing that, because it's a very lengthy process and all that. So this was one of the unique experiences that I experienced. But now, sadly, we don't have, first of all, I don't have my grandparents now. Second is the fields are there, but nothing grows there because my uncles and all are moved out and all. They have become very modernized, same like us. Apart from that, jaggery is never done now. It's done, I guess, but it is very rarely. Of course, now since I'm here, I've never been there. But I really miss that kind of thing, because it's never happened here. No one does all those things here because everybody thinks of buying itself, Yeah, so I miss this, being with grandparents, learning some things from them. Getting that extra pampering, ooh, I miss that. One thing that I hated being in India was about rains because from May end till September, it used to rain heavily. And, we used to go to school walking because our school from our house was almost like 10 to 15 minutes. But we used to go together, so we never felt that thing, But we had this dumpsters on the roads, because the big dumpsters used to keep and everybody would come and dump their garbage there, obviously. But during rains, I used to hate that, But the fun about rains was, what I miss was, wearing that raincoat and then still carrying an umbrella and going. That was something cool, which never happens here. If it rains now, it started raining in Dubai now, but if it rains, you're inside the house. You don't want to go out because, first of all, I don't like rains, to be honest. But then here, the situation is such that, the road gets blocked just like that. Even 2 buckets of water, it rains as much as 2 buckets. It's jam-packed. You cannot go anywhere because you will be spending all your time either trying to wait for the water to be cleaned by the municipality team and that stuff. But those days were so fun, so I miss that kind of rain. But yes, the greenery used to be nice and the environment would look so beautiful. Another important thing that I miss is weddings and festivals. Believe me, it's been like so many years, I've hardly attended 2 weddings or 3 weddings maybe. While festivals, we do celebrate in, friends' parties, friends' houses and all that stuff. But in India, the festivals were so different. Like for me being a Christian, so we used to have this Christmas parties, Christmas mass that we used to go, which I don't go nowadays. It's been long that I don't go for Christmas masses as such. Festivals, whether it is Hindu festival or Muslim festival, we had neighbors who used to be there around. Whatever they cook in their house, they would bring and come. And, there was something different. That vibe was so different. The whole thing about festivals was buying new dresses, being so excited. But now, because every next day we end up buying dresses, so that value of wearing a new dress for special occasion is not so great nowadays, So it used to be fun, so I miss that. And weddings, believe me, I'm missing the wedding meals. Especially that roast, what used to happen in Christians, there is the roast before the wedding, I miss that. I mean, like the dance, the people, the drunkard uncles, and the food itself was something special. Like, yeah, I miss those actually. Like, yeah. Another important thing which I miss about is I don't like having families around. Like, I don't like anybody. I just like me, my husband, and my pets, though. But there was a thing about olden days, like, those childhood days of mine. Any problem is there, everybody would come around. Like, any festival is there, yeah, you have everybody in your house, especially if you have a grandmother or grandfather in your house. Then that becomes the panchayat like kind, because where everybody would come for festival, come to see them, spend time with them, take their blessings for everything and all that. Any problems, immediately it is like a newspaper, like which goes within the family, like, anything, any gossip, any important news, any sad news, everything would be like just with that thing. But right now it is like no one is bothered. And WhatsApp they say all good morning kind of thing. But otherwise, no one is bothered about what is happening in your life. But it was not like that then. People. I still remember like we being in a joint family. We would have family from my dad's side. We would have family from my mother's side. We would have family from my auntie's side. We would have family from all the sides, like, because my grandmother itself had such a big family. So their entire family, somebody or the other, every alternate day they would come, like, plus their business, whatever business we were doing, from that, those people would come. So it used to be always, there was some kind of entertainment in that terms. But right now, grandmother is also not there. There is no family members also. No one is interested to know what is happening also in anybody's life. Yeah, they're all interested to know, but they know through sources only, but not directly. Like, no one would come and sit in your house and ask all these things and all that stuff. But yeah, it has changed completely, and I miss all those olden days though right now. Lastly, but the most important thing is the food. Like, there was times like, people would, even for a small function in the house, whether it is rose or something, people would combine together. Like, I still remember in my house, like whenever we had functions, there should be like, the neighbor aunties would come home and all would combine together and start cooking, and they would cook at home majority of the thing, because there was no facilities like, you order or catering and all that stuff. Catering came eventually later. And they would come sit in the house. One would cut onions, one would cut garlic, one would do all the things, non-veg and that stuff and all that stuff. They would come, they would organize all themselves. There was no event coordinators, there was no event management companies. All the boys in the area would come and do the decorations for the weddings and the rose and everything, put the lightings and all that stuff and all that, So there was something like that. And also the food used to be like so delicious. Even after that, so many people using their hands and doing and whatever kind of cooking. Most importantly about food is that, it used to be fun, because even on a day-to-day basic kind of lifestyle, the food was cooked fresh. Basically, there was a mixer also. There was no grinder. Mixer also, I don't know whether it was there, but we did not have. Mom used to do the masala by grinding on the stone. So that used to become so tasty, and each meal was so delicious actually. But we miss all that right now. Other things also that I keep missing, maybe like, for example, the shops. Like, every corner there is to be a shop, and you have little chiller money in your hand. Like, after buying the groceries, you will remain with 1 rupee 50 paisa or something. You end up going and buying those white color pedas, or those coconut burfis, or those egglet chocolates, or those boomer chewing gums, or something like that. Like, because you could go and stop. And apart from that, the restaurants, like the hotels, small hotels. Like, I used to go with my dad in the mornings, because whenever we used to have holidays, or we did not have school, so we used to go with my dad wherever he's working, like, so we'd sit in a scooter and go, and he would go early, like, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock and all that. So we used to like, get up and go. We used to help him in writing, because my dad was not educated, and we used to go to write for him, like if there is something to write and all. And he would stop by in the small shops, like, in Dubai, that option is not there at all, because 5, 6 o'clock, there's nothing open. The restaurants open after 7 o'clock. So we used to go 5, 6 o'clock, and there used to be these small joints, particularly for breakfast selling. Like, they would sell only from certain time, like 5 o'clock onwards till 10:30, 11 o'clock, and then they're over. Then that's their business, like, So they sell these idlis, puri bhajis, or dosas, or something like that. So basically, you go anywhere in Mangalore area, at least I know only Mangalore I can speak about. So there used to be these small joints, and we used to end up standing there, eating there. They would have some proper place to sit and all, or take parcel and come back and eat, or something of that sort. So I miss that also. But having said all this, I don't regret my decision of coming to Dubai, because I love this place also. But yeah, of course, some days as an Indian, you miss certain things and the culture that you have been brought up, and you feel the best part about my life, I would say, is that, I got values from that side. That is my earlier stages also, because I saw the life a different way. I understood the value of relationships. I know the value of money. I know the value of everything that could come. But I sadly feel bad for my nieces, nephews, and the all younger generation who is just born right now, who is yet to born also, because they will never ever get to know that kind of things, like, those values and everything. Because right now everything is so digital and everything is so quick that they don't know how it is, like, to live the basic living. And basically, since we are all different generation right now, we are wanting our kids to not to suffer, because we have suffered, we think, like, so yeah, having said this, I'm happy that I lived both the eras. Well, I still miss something about India, but I love Dubai also. So, having said this is something interesting topic I felt. So, I did some research and made some points, and I shared it here. And if you have liked it, please let me know. And if you think you missed something about being in Dubai and being an Indian, please let me know. If you're not Indian, if you're from your other town or other country or whatever, you tell me if you relate to this, and let me know. Thank you so much for listening to me.